So, you might be looking for a way to fix your 2010 Ford Fusion electric power steering here. Well, there are a few things that you may want to do here. So, first things first is you want to start the car and look for power steering assist fault or a steering wheel warning light here. Now, if the steering suddenly feels heavy and the light is on, the EPS system has shut itself off for safety purposes. Now, you want to go and just test the battery and charging system here. So low voltage is a common cause here of EPS failure on this model. So if the battery is weak or the alternator isn't charging properly, the steering module shuts down. Now, even if the car starts fine, EPS needs stable voltage to work. Now, next thing that you want to do is you want to go and just power reset the steering system here. So starting the car off, disconnect the negative battery terminal and wait for about like 10 to 15 minutes. Reconnect it and restart the car. Now, this can temporarily restore steering if the module glitch due to low voltage or a sensor hiccup. Now, I want to go and just inspect the EPS fuses and wiring here. So check the power steering and PCM fuses in the fuse box. Also look under the hood for loose grounds or damaged wiring near the steering rack and battery. So a bad connection can cause intermittent steering loss. Now, also, you may want to scan for EPS trouble codes here. So use an OBD scanner that can read steering control module codes. Codes related to torque sensors, motor faults, or are very common in 2010 Fusion models and help pinpoint the failure. Now, if the problem keeps coming back, the electric steering rack itself is usually failing. So this is the known issue on the 2010 Fusion. So the Ford even issued recalls and extended coverage in the past. So replacement is often the permanent fix here. And also, before replacing anything, check if your VIN still qualifies for steering recall or assistance program. So this can save huge amount of repair cost. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.